Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be in the grandparents cottage, but first we need to do this. We need to move this hay here, all move them there and cover them for the horses. So this is our hay for the year for Sadie, oh not for Sadie, for the horses. And yeah, we need to move them there and put them somewhere safe and cover them because there is rain coming and winter as well. So yeah. Oh, 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 oh. That's it. Wait. Polly, back. So Mick just give us all these tools that we need for today's work. So we're gonna go to the cottage now and start the work. Hoopla. I don't think it will fit in this car. I think it's okay. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Hello again. So today we're gonna do some gardening because everything is done inside and we are just waiting for Sadie's grandmom to choose the color of the painting, and I need to know exactly what she need as work, if she need to change something, if she need to change the bathroom or the toilet or something in the kitchen. So for now I can't do nothing else inside until she tell me everything she needs. So but we have loads of work that needs to be done around the house, in the garden, and just around. So we have to do that today. So let's crack on, as Billy said in his videos. Tommy, come on. Come on, Tommy. So while we were cutting this tree, we found something. I'm gonna just check. Look, found this 2 boxes, maybe more. There is something inside. Maybe. I think just these 2 boxes. Alors, Opération Madagascar, Groupama. It's like insurance stuff. I'm gonna have it. We're gonna show you later what's inside. Sorry guys, we need to stop now. It's nearly 6:30 p.m. and you know, in the villages in France you need to stop the noise at least at 6, and we are 6:30, so we need to apologize to our neighbors and we need to stop, but everything is doing good. Look at that, show them, Yanis. We cleared not everything, but the most big thing, the most big trees, and all the rubbish, we put them away. So tomorrow we're gonna start again, and we will finish all the garden here. So we still have loads work in this garden, very lot of works to do, but we are taking it easy, slowly, and we do as much as we can every day. So yeah. So we need to open this surprise boxes and see what they have inside. So we didn't open it yet. We're gonna do it with you guys. So let's go inside. So let's see what we found in the garden. It seems like tools, or maybe spoons, or maybe cups or something, but let's have a look. Oh, just cups, guys. See this one. What's that? Oh, a cup. What kind of cup? Look. La Belle au Bois Dormant. This is a story, Walt Disney story. La Belle au Bois Dormant. What is that? Petit ours brun peut aussi être un camionneur. This is kid stuff. Oh, Rox and Roxy. Look at that. Ah, that's a good collection. Ninja Turtles, guys, with a spider inside. Spider-Man. Okay, just like that. What's that? Wow. Les Chevaliers de Zodiac. Zodiac.
C'est de ma génération.
Ah ouais. Let's bring us in. That's guys that are bringing us in a good memories, like Donald's, Petit Loup, Mickey, Nif Nif, Dingo, Mickey and friends, and his friends. That's a good collection. That's what we found in the cottage garden. So yeah, it's a good surprise. Not that bad. Maybe we can clean them and use them again, or just or just give them for somebody who can collect them. So, that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.